I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone help.
Oh, this is Moulin Rouge. This is fantastic film.
Do you? I'm used to really like him, but I've gone of him about.
What about Pirates of Caribbean?
Now, what I did last weekend? How about Harry Potter? Do you like Daniel Radcliffe?
He's very nice, but the film don't like me.
That's really that.
Oh, this is not bad. Maria Antonietta.
No, I'm not very keen on dramas.
Well, that's what we do.
There's this good film, Alien.
Aliens, that's so old. And I can't stand terror films.
Okay, let's watch the Moulin Rouge then.
Next, please.
Hello. Can I send this parcel to Senegal, please?
Sure, put it on scales. By Airmail or Surface Mail?
How much is our mail?
£9 it's cheaper by Surface Mail, and £3 it takes longer.
Okay, I send the mail. Can I have a stamp for this letter too?
First class or second class?
First class, please.
That's £10 altogether, please.
Okay.
Have to chance.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind and open up the doors.